Mardi Gras is the greatest party on earth, and your group will want to get in on the outrageous fun at the Red River Mardi Gras Bash in Shreveport-Bossier, Louisiana. Shreveport-Bossier has 13 Mardi Gras crews and 6 parades over 2 weekends. The more than 200,000 parade goers love shouting, "Throw me something, mister," to collect the millions of beads, doubloons, and goodies thrown at the parade. Groups come from all over for this exclusive rocking tent party along the banks of the Red River.
We rode 250 miles this weekend to attend the Shreveport Mardi Gras Bash. We have been here for 9 years. This is our 9th year here, and we have had a great time every time.
Red River Mardi Gras Bash participants love dancing to the tunes of the live band, eating savory Creole Cajun food, and enjoying hands-on experiences in a comfortable, climate-controlled tent.
This is actually my second time to bring a group down to Mardi Gras Bash, and we love it because in our small rural area of Missouri, we do not celebrate Mardi Gras, so this is just great exposure to bring senior citizens, most of us are 50 years and older down, and experience Mardi Gras in a family-friendly style.
My name is Erica Telsey, and I'm the Tourism Sales Manager with the Shreveport-Bossier Convention and Tourist Bureau. I would like to invite you and your group to Shreveport-Bossier to attend our annual Red River Mardi Gras Bash.
The staff of the Shreveport-Bossier Convention and Tourist Bureau makes planning a trip to the Red River Mardi Gras Bash easy by helping tour operators to promote the trip and build attendance, by offering customized itineraries based on the group's interest, and by helping groups to secure the perfect hotel.
We are having a wonderful time, and I can't wait to come back again.
We loved our time in Shreveport-Bossier, and we can't wait to come back again.
This popular event sells out, so get your tickets today to the greatest party, the Red River Mardi Gras Bash, and let the good times roll. Or as we like to say, laissez le bon temps rouler.